how to find your position settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your position settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click this on your profile and click edit, and here just go down until you find more information, and here you will find this one. Click on it and click edit, and then just here you will find position, you can change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.